While most students are just beginning to prepare for finals, the students in Professor Drinkard's Public Relations Campaigns class have been prepping since the semester started. At the beginning of the class, the students were assigned a mock client and put into small groups. Within these groups, they have worked over the last few months to develop a real public relations campaign for their final project grade. This semester, the class client is the City of Troy's Department of Public Relations and Tourism.
Most people think public relations is simply just getting up in front of someone and just talking and just giving better insight, but it goes more in depth as far as to you're creating strategies, objectives, goals, and tactics, as I've mentioned before, to create a better, whether it be a better plan for a company or it be a better plan for a city.
The class takes an in-depth approach to learning the four main phases of creating a campaign, like formative research, strategy, tactics, and evaluative research. The students then work to implement these steps into their own campaign. While many of these students are balancing several other big projects, they continue to work to pitch their campaign to the department's director.
Time management, something that people don't even realize that's there. Some people don't realize they even have it, but you do, and it's very critical to everything you put in. You know, time management. You have to find time for every little detail about this campaign or public relations in general. You can't just rush every single step. You have to manage time.
While many of Professor Drinkard's students are relieved the class is coming to a close, almost all of them have developed something from this campaign that they can be proud of.
Professor Drinkard is treating us like actual professionals. It is making us take into account little details, the way things look, the way our campaign books look, not reading off of flashcards when we present to the client, that kind of stuff. And while that makes it really difficult, I also think it's really rewarding.
I'm Hanna Rizzi, Troy, TrojanVision News.